の前電気屋さんとカニマーケット行ったよ。
もういないよパパ。
いっぱいあるじゃん。
いるよ。
Hi guys! Welcome back here at Pingsang Pagita YouTube channel. So we are out again and nandito kami sa Niigata Prefecture kung saan bibisitahin namin ang lola ng mga bata, ang mother-in-law ko, ang mother ng asawa ko.
いや、この間パパが作ったやつ。ちっちゃいけど。
食べられますよ。
So big.
あれヒラメ？
俺ヒラメって書いてある。なんかうまそうだね。
あ、いて。
あ、ごめんごめん。
明日バーベキューするか。
カニある。ないよ。
でかいエビだね。
あ、でかい山。
This is the kani soup. Kani soup.
ちゃんと納豆巻きも食え。
でも俺さ、夜のカニ食べない。
So ayan guys, nakabili na tayo ng pasalubong for the lola here. So we just came from the famous crab market here in Niigata Prefecture guys. So we bought a pasalubong for the lola here in Japan. So stay tuned. Now we are here at the famous winery of Niigata. The name is Cave Dutch. It's a French name guys, so I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I'm gonna show you the name, but I think it's a Cave Dioxide. Before we arrive to grandmother's house, to my mother-in-law's house, let's buy wine first. And of course, a little bit tour here at Winery. Welcome! Ah, that's the budo, ne? Kuribudo. It's a grape farm, guys, there. So let's go to the store. Look at this flower, so good. Wow! Pink ko na yun. Hindi ka, hindi, papa. Wala kaming napili, guys. So, bibili na lang kami sa supermarket. My husband preferred no additive wine. So, let's go! So, next stop, grocery.
やっぱりあっちの方が良かった。
やっぱね。
So it's a fireworks, guys. Hanabi here in Japan. They want to do it here in the province. So ito, guys, nakabili na kami ng food namin mamayang gabi at bukas kasi nakakahiya naman kay Ubachan, baka mapagod kalalaro tapos magpiprepare pa siya ng food. So ayan, wala na siyang problem. Bumili na kami. So, samahan nyo kami sa pagbisita namin dito sa Niigata, Japan. Dito sa lola namin. Lola ng mga bata dito sa Niigata Prefecture. And stay there, guys, for more adventure. Mwah! Approaching Ubachan's land. Ito yung car park, guys. Ni-renovate ni Ubachan. So before, guys, tumira kami dito ng 1 year before kami nag-transfer sa Tokyo. Later, I'm gonna tell the whole story, okay? Mag-unload muna tayo ng luggages. Ayan, na-miss ng mga bata yung farm. Meron kasi yung napakalawak na lupa ang biyanan ko, ang asawa ko. So, ayun, na-miss nila. Lumabas muna sila para tignan yung kung ano yung nakatanim dun sa farm. So, ayan. So, for tonight, guys, one night, dito kami matutulog sa bahay ng Obachans. Dito kami tumira ng 1 year bago kami lumipat ng Tokyo kasi yung asawa ko nag-work sa Tokyo. So, after that, bihira kaming dumalaw. Ay, napakatagal. Yung huli naming dalaw dito is nung New Year. And then, yung sumunod na is yung today. So, na-miss nila yung isa't isa ng sobra. So, let's check. Marami silang banding na na-miss. So, tunghayan natin yung banding ng maglola, guys. Maraming books ang Obachan. Ayan, maraming mga gamit ng bata ang naiwan. And then, si Obachan, love din niya ang mga stuffed toy, guys. Ayan. So, dito kami matutulog ngayong gabi. And, pag may time, guys, dadalhin ko kayo sa farm. Okay, guys? So, stay with us! So, this is the highway. Pag ang tapat ng bahay ni Obachan. And then ito ay car park, and then dito is stock room, and then car park na din. So napakalawak. Before may bakod dito pero dinemolish nila. So ayan. Ayan, hubby is cleaning the car right now. And then there's a beautiful flowers here. Let's check. White flower. Ayan. So, nandito tayo sa kitchen ni Obachan, guys. Okay? Let's check. May mga picture ng bata dito. Ba't bawal makita? So, ayan. And that one. Drawing pa ng mga bata. And what's inside the refrigerator? Let's check. Ang daming food ni Obachan. Ayan. I'm gonna get back to you guys later. Gagawa lang ako ng matcha tea, okay? Dami din si Obachan mga plates and cups, different kinds. So, gamitin natin yung ibang cups. Nasa labas siya. So, ako na ang magdi-decide. Sorry, Obachan. I can't see. Diba?
Photo? Manis kali.
Hi, it's Ampalaya plant. Goy. So, ayan guys. Tapos na kaming maglinis ng sasakyan. So, first activity for the maglola is to do gardening. So, nagtanim sila kanina ng ampalaya. And then, ngayon naman nandun sila sa farm. So, dahil na-miss nila yung isa't isa, so, I let them enjoy each other's company. And for now, I'm going to have my snacks. Pero guys, it's already 5 in the afternoon. Ito, meron din silang yung minalagkit. Tapos may toppings na parang giniling na minatamis na beans. Ang sarap niya guys. Let's eat! And today guys, kung nakita nyo, kanina dumaan kami ng Kani Market, right? So, isa yun sa pinaka-famous na Kani Market or crab market dito sa Niigata Prefecture. And bumili kami ng, I think, 7 pieces of big crab for 4,000 yen. Mura na yun, guys. So, I'm gonna get back to you later, guys, when we are having a dinner, okay? Thank you. I hope you're enjoying this episode of our visit here at Obachan and Gigi's house. Japan edition, guys. Of course, kapag bumisita kami dyan sa lola naman sa mama ko dyan sa Philippines, i-update ko din kayo, okay, guys? So, stick around. Okay, let's eat now. Crab for dinner. We'll be using this as a plate. Dami kutsi. Mama, Papa, ipay na kutsi. Ano? Ipay na kutsi. Arigato. Wow. Kampai. Cheese. let's sleep now, okay? Hi, ohayo gozaimasu. Let's eat. Minna tabete ora. Okay guys, it's 10 a.m. Let's clean a little bit. Okay guys, good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu. So today is the second day here in Obachan house and it's already past 10. Oh, it's just 10 in the morning, so we decided to have our lunch here before we go. And today's lunch is a kind of barbecue. Ayan, so nagpe-prepare na si Habi. Ayan. So barbecue here in Obachan house. I'm gonna show you the farm or the hatake at the backyard. So let's go. Ano yung jungkon? Nani? Papasinsin ano food decomposer ne?
まだまだ来てるんだ。
mada?
何してるの？
Mga ano ba yung mga vegetable na nakatanim. So ito fruits, suika or watermelon guys, that one. Pero kakatanim lang kasi kakatapos lang ng winter, so wala pa masyadong bunga. Welcome to Family's Farm guys, here in Japan. Ayan, that's the farm of Obachan. Ito hindi ko alam kung ano yung pangalan nito. Kakatanim lang. Ito naman is onion spring guys. Alam niyo ba yung onion spring? This one is onion spring. The other one is onion guys. This one. That one is onion. And they do also have this cabbage guys. Cabbage. Pero yung iba, kinuha na nila. Of course, why not? No? Ayan. Hanggang dun, guys. That's Obachan's land. My husband land there. Yung malinis na area. Ayan. So, yung iba naman, sa katabing neighborhood, I don't know who's the owner. Ayan. So may nag-aayos ng farm nila sa kabila. Natatanaw nyo ba yun? So how about this? Ano kaya to? Is this? I'm not sure what is this vegetable guys. This one. But it looks like tomato guys. This one. It looks like tomato. But I'm not sure, okay? Ayan. And what else? Oh no, I think this one is the tomatoes. Yeah, this one is tomato. So may picture pa nga. Ayan. And chili. Ayan, may mga chili din sa yung green chili yung malalaki. Yes. And that's all, guys. I hope you like our tour farm for today, and later I'm gonna show you the barbecue experience here in my mother-in-law's house. Okay, so stay tuned. Are you planting
Tulip.
tulip? Do you think it will grow?
Yeah.
Really? So let's check next season. What are you doing?
I'm getting a closer.
Oh, you're getting the grass. Wow, you're so nice naman. So the other one is planting the tulip, and the other one is cleaning the grass on the ground. What a nice children naman. We are back inside the house, guys. They want to eat snacks. They are still planting ampalaya. Let's make silip of the tree outside. Let's check. Okay, let's go grocery. And we're gonna check the old school. We're gonna check the old school. Look, kuya. Bye, that's the old school. We arrived. Let's go inside. Okay, what are we going to? Grilled shrimp, fish, seashell, and pork, beef, and squid. What else? What is this? And this one, another beef. Okay. So Papa, where's Papa? Done eating, guys, and now we are cleaning our mess. And then after this, after we fix everything, we're gonna go back to Tokyo and drive for 4 hours, guys. So we need to go as much as we can earlier than expected. So that's all, guys. If you like this video, guys, and you enjoy touring the farm or what we did here in Ubashan house, then please do like and subscribe, comment your thoughts, and I'm gonna see you in my next vlogs. Thank you for watching. arigato batan, bye bye. Arigato gozaimasu ne. Hi. Okay, this one you need to get by your hands by simply holding like that. It's a test, okay? But you can't get it. Ah, it's so hard. Yeah.
I can.
Ay, sugoi. Mama, di kimasen desu ne.
Full properly.
Ah, I can't get it any. It's so hard, guys. Ah, pass. Next, you need to arrange the train. Puzzle train. Sample of a solar energy, guys, here at the museum, Niigata Science Museum. Okay. Oh.
Let's go next.
Okay, next. Okay, so there's a problem and my kuya will answer it. Go, kuya. Ping pong datte, may deto. Pero nani? Kuya ko. Spaceship.
いいよ。
これアステロイドだってすごいな。
あれ変わってる。
これ何？ダイナソーフォーシル？フォーシルズだね。
この形だ。顔の形だ。
すごい。知ってる。
サバイバルにある。
いや、そうにスモカのピンスモカピン。
これほら、この方だ。
これなんだ。カチンカチン。
This one is buried under the water and find underwater species. What is that?
No, it's not a poop. No, this touch.
What
This touch. If you touch.
Poop. Dinosaur dung? Oh, it's a poop of a dinosaur. Sugoy.
近づいてみよう。お、でかい。
これはマイクロスコープみたいですね。
あ、出てくる。
おお。これはラビほら、プレセーブだね。これ触れない。ない。Oh, yeah. Oh, it's moving. Yeah, it's moving. something is crawling. Mite, mite. Sugoi. Tornado hora. Hai, 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 hai. Iyo?
入ってる、もっと入ってる。
あれ消えた。
Sa... Deja vu? Are you okay?
俺のものは
はいどうぞ。
俺のもの。
Ah, sugoi. Pare omoy. But it's just the same, eh? Magnet na ne? Pero centipede ko wa nan. Pero robot din. Ah, これは ano, automatic sorting machine.